Hello, we're back. How's everybody doing? Wow, sheesh. Well, today, it's another day. Man, you know what? YouTube content creators are putting out YouTube content videos like every day. Before it was every week, now it's every day, every three. Now they're doing 3 videos a day. Man, I mean, depending on your views, if you have small views, if you have not that high of viewers, you create more content. And if you have a lot of views, like in the thousands, you could create 1 or 2 every day. But the goal that I see with most YouTube content creators is to have 10,000 a month income from YouTube, with supported by commercials and advertisement. So it's getting real out here. I mean, it's pushed me to put some videos out there, but I was lacking due to my job. And but check out my video, Papa Crystal's TV. Papa speaks on dating apps, Bubble. Papa speaks on the church, Bewitched, kidnapping, single mothers, the big C. Check what that C is. The rap game. A whole lot more. Define Congress. Now, a lot of them could be seem boring, but it's educational, and the way I'm speaking is to get to your brain. I apologize. It's not a lot about lights, camera, and action. It's about getting us ready for the 21st century, and that's what we're going to be talking about right now. But before we do that, let's go to Cash App. You could download it on your app or your computer. Show some support. $PAPACRISTOS 10, 20, 50, 100. Show your support. Hit pay. Help out. Right now, I really do need your help and support, especially for this, because I do provide consultation for Coinbase. And I'm one of the guys that was living off of Coinbase, but I wish I did it, because what's going on right now is spectacular. Let's check out what's going on. Ethereum is making the same moves. Ethereum is making the same moves as did Bitcoin, and it's the next thing that's going up. It's at 1,577. It's been fluctuating from 1,400 to, wow, it seems like it's going to go to once. Get in it. Put some stuff into it. It's been going around from 1,300 to 1,400-ish. It's the next thing. Don't try to get into it when it's 5,000. Get into it now. My brother got into it. He's doing good. I think he just doubled his money right now again, because he put 7,000 in there and he was 14,000. So times 2, it's gonna double up. He'll be in do a $20,000 gain. More money that he's gained, better than day trading. Okay, he lost money. He didn't do day trading. He's doing he's doing long-term investment, but had lost some money in there. But this is the way to do it. I told him, and I hope that he would have done it earlier, and also help me out. But everything's a competition with him. But yeah, Ethereum is the next thing. And look right here, it's going up. It's really going up. It's going in there, and it's everybody should get into it. Let's see what they're saying about Ethereum.
In the market. Let's bring in another voice into this conversation now. Anthony Scaramucci of Skybridge Capital joining us. Anthony, good to see you.
Good to be here, Scott.
An incredible week. Certainly, we've heard from a number of important voices on our program this week. I know that you've talked to a number in your own right. What's your big takeaway?
Well, listen, I mean, it was bound to happen. You have a full-on decentralization and democratization of trading. The trader now through the palm, the smartphone, is getting all the same information as, say, a Goldman Sachs prop trader in the mid to late 90s. And so this was bound to happen. These people are smarter than people think. I do believe that Leon Koopman is going to be right, though, that it ends in tears for many people. Because ultimately, as you know, what's happening, and this is what got Robinhood in trouble yesterday, is the pyramid scheme on the way up in terms of the leverage buying of those names that everyone on your show and most Wall Street professionals know that those names are likely fundamentally impaired. And so what I would say to people is we're in the age of decentralization. Somebody like a Point72, a Steve Cohen, let's say, I would never bet against him. He's adapting right now to this new reality. And so, as you know, Skybridge has a lot of money with Point72, but on the same side, we've taken a barbell approach where we've got money in Bitcoin, which I think is the epicenter of this democratization and this decentralization of finance. So I would say we have a leg on both sides, if you will. Scott.
I know why you're talking Bitcoin. It's your new product. I know you want to talk about that. We'll get to that in a second. You, in your own right, helped democratize a part of the market, that being the hedge fund business, right? I mean, that's essentially what the fund of funds industry did. It allowed more, average Joes, if you will, who don't have quite the amount of capital.
They adapt and they pivot to the new reality. Best players in that space. Well, I think it's being $3.6 trillion in back half of the year. And so
what they're trying to say here is that Bitcoin is the way. What happened with GameStop is that they basically stopped selling shares, and what the other stuff that happened was that the computerized what do you call it? When you post your orders on the market, and the one percenters all were betting for the market to crash, but due to YouTube, I'm gonna say YouTube because we gotta have a lot of YouTube contenters who are being followed, and every day they wake up in the morning. 6 o'clock or Western time, 9 o'clock Eastern time, New York, and they're following these YouTube traders online, and I know a lot of them out there, and I follow them too, and there was more traders voting for the stock to go up than going down, and that's what caused GameStop to crash. And they had stopped everything. They had closed down everything, and everybody's like, "What's going on? Why are you doing this?" And go look at it. We'll look at it later. But it's hard to explain. It gets a little bit confusing. You have to be a day trader. But let's look at Coinbase right here. This is my little account right here. I basically took everything out, and now rebuilding again really late. Missed out on everything like I did last year. But things happen, and the portfolios here. Now we got to look at another one, but we could be late. It's Maker. Maker is really doing good. Maker's not talked about a lot, but Maker's up there. Maker's like, it's been skyrocketed. It's another 1,702. That's a lot. It went up from 24 hours ago. You just seen it. It was at 1,300 when I started watching it. Now it's at 1,702. It's going to go up. It's going to skyrocket. It's going to be like Bitcoin. Look at this. It's just growing and growing. And you know, Bitcoins work on transaction. It works on transaction. Look at that. It was at 138314, January 28th, January 30th, January 31. It's going up. It's going up. And it's right here as we speak today at 1,703. Now, why is it going up? People are doing their tax returns. There's transaction going in. People are sending money overseas. It's the beginning of the year. Properties are being sold and bought. A lot of transactions are happening. And when there's a lot of transactions happening, Bitcoin goes up, Coinbase goes up, Maker goes up, Ethereum goes up. A lot of them go up. And what I'm telling people now, you're late in the game, or you were living off your Bitcoin, or you pulled out too early, you needed the money. Let's go down here and let's check out this one. Please, Cash App, send some support. The best thing to do is start working down here. Start working with the little ones. Civic, Basic Attention Token, OMG Network. They tell you what they stand for, what they do. It's right here. Let's see where it's at. Why is it not bringing it up, the screen up? Something's going on. What happened? Let's see if this one will show up. Why is it not showing the view? Oh, view. My bad. Okay, let's go back again. Go back again to Civic right here. View. It's at 0.17. This was Bitcoin in 2012. This was Bitcoin in 2012, right here. People were like, oh, I can make $1 if I buy 100 of them. Okay, and look where Bitcoin is right now, 40,000, 35,000 is a drop, but it's still high. Take advantage of this. Start buying. They have automatic deposit, okay? Where you hit buy right here. Hold on. You hit buy right here. Wait, hold up. That's right here. Okay. Well, it's not showing on here though, but it'll show somewhere else. You could do monthly withdrawal from your account where the money goes in to your account so you don't have to see it or remind yourself. Remember, your address on your ID must match your address. Don't be like me for 2 years finding out why I could not get Bitcoin. I blamed everything. That's like they're racist. They don't want me in there. It's for the 1%ers. No, your address has to match your ID. Where you live at, it has to be the same as where as on your ID. Get that changed. Go to your Department of Motor Vehicles or whatever you call it in your country or state, and make sure you have that correct. Sign on, get an account, connect it to your bank account, automatic withdrawal. I do consulting. You could give me a call or email me. Now, Civic is one of them. What's another one? Basic Attention, Default. Okay. Let's see right here. You know, the app is different than the phone. Okay, so it usually tells you what these. Okay, right here, maybe it'll tell us what right here. Okay, so you could come down here, you read about the basic attention of tokens. BAT is an Ethereum token that powers Brave software blockchain-based digital advertising platform. So this is for advertisement. Okay, I don't want this, stuff to go longer than it is though. But this will be another topic though. I'll explain how money is made. So if advertisements are going up, people are advertising, transactions are happening, this will go up too, which is it is. Okay? So 1 week ago, 1 year ago, okay, we see here this will go up. So take advantage of these small ones. Put $10, put $15, put $30, $100 in here. Within 10 years, 5 years, leave it alone. Stop thinking about it. It's going to go up there. It's going to be like Bitcoin. Take advantage of these ones. Okay? And then most of all, you see they're easy to buy. They're 13 cents. Look at it. They're all going up. You know, if you're somebody that's in the market late, you might not be able to get the Bitcoin or the Ethereum or the Maker right now that's going up. Maker, you got to do it. Get that tax return, put it in there, forget about it. And if you're living off of it, you got to pull money out like me. You know, it's crazy, you know. But look at this. Get in there. Put some more money into it. Okay, let's see what this is about. Right here. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Let's see overview. Okay. 77 cents. So get into this. We see that it's going to hit $1 soon. Don't wait for it to be 10 to be 1,000 and then you say, I wish I got into it. Okay? Start now. You see that we just heard the guy, we're decentralizing, we're changing. All these coins are going to skyrocket high. My next paycheck, I'm going in, I'm purchasing, I'm putting 100 on each one. Okay, I'm just going to 100 everything, all up. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to touch Maker or Ethereum. Maker's up there. Maker, look at that. I only got 350 in there. I should put more in there. Maker's 1,700. It just went up 10 cents. $10. It just went up $10. Next video, I'll show you when to take out money and when to put it back. Okay. Now they do have an automatic deposit where you could take out of your account and put it in. Okay. Why is it always going to wallet? Alright, take advantage of all this. Bitcoin is there too. Look at Bitcoin. I had more money in Bitcoin, but now I don't. $36.852. So those people who made $45,000, maybe they had a base of 10,000 or 15,000 or 20,000. They could have taken out that 20,000 in January 15th. Look at that. Look at that. It was at 9,000. It grew and it grew and it grew and it grew. Look at that. You can't get that nowhere else. Okay? You can't get that nowhere else. Okay, look at February. We're going back. The high was 40,000. So if you were to pull that money out right there, you could have taken out 10,000 or 20,000 only to get a return again and pull out another 20,000. People make that in a year. It takes, most people, average earners are $45,000. You already made $20,000 from Bitcoin. That's if you would have left that, got that one Bitcoin at what? At 10,000 or maybe 9,000, okay? Or maybe you came at it at when it was $203. Maybe you bought 5 of them or 6 of them. Okay? Look at that. And that, look at that, 200, 121. That's what I'm telling you. Look at this. Go back there. Let's talk about these small ones down here. Let's hit them hard. Let's put some money in there. Let's go get that keyboard network. Okay? It's only what? It's only $1.50. Let's get 50. Let's put $50 in there. All right? Let's put $50. Let's own 50 of 150, 150, 150. Okay? That's what I'm talking about. I've been telling everybody. Please help out. Cash App me. $50, $20 for a consultant. Help out. Don't be like my family members and just leave me hanging. All right. Ava's a good one right here. Ava's really good. Get into it. Ava is at 345. It's gonna grow. It's gonna grow. It's gonna be another big one. Purchase another one. Purchase another Ava. Look at Ava's going up there. Don't try to get into this when it's 1500. Get into it now. Purchase more. Purchase more of this. It's at 345. It's gonna get bigger. What do I have in here? I have. Let's divide that. 581.61. Take away. What was it again? I forgot what it was. Overview. 345.05. So 236. Okay, so I need to put some more money in there. I need to put some more money in there so I can have at least 2 coins. I'm going to put more in there. I have automatic payment going into it also. All right, so we're gonna get some money in there. Okay, what happened was that business was slow for me, and 2019 I had to pull some coins out, but I was saved. I did good. Yeah, I didn't have nothing. See, I had all. Let's do all. Yeah, see right here, November 2018. I put 3,000. I took it out. 1,800. I was pulling and putting it in there. Right here. And then all-time high right here. Why does it keep on doing it? All-time high right here, 7.6. Pulled. Then 2019, it was tough right here. Business was slow. I don't know for what reason why business was down and everything was so slow, but no money being made. I was pulling everything out, and then there you go. But I put money in there because I knew the purpose. And then back up, I've been putting money in there. And then I think something happened here where I took money out again. And then January, I've been going back up. Oh, it's terrible. Most of the money in here, 80% is mine. I could go on all day talking about this. Let me see right here. Let me show you. My Bitcoin is terrible. Bitcoin SV, please put some money in that one too. Bitcoin SV is going to go up also. All of these are going to go up. All of them are going to go up. Okay. Bitcoin SV, they're all going to go up. We got Bitcoin at 36 right here. See, I would have been up here if whatever happened in 2019 didn't happen. I would have been up there also. I would have had maybe 2 coins. I could have pulled out 20,000 each. Yeah, but that didn't happen. So that's where it's at right now. Bitcoin is stored and exchanged securely on internet through a digital ledger known as blockchain. Bitcoins are divisible into smaller units known as satoshis. Each satoshi is worth 0.00001 Bitcoin. Alright guys.
Ethereum has exploded since yesterday, making a new all-time high today. I absolutely freaking love this. I love this game. Crypto is the most exciting market by far. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to discuss just what the heck is happening, as well as my price prediction for later this year. Ethereum is going to go a lot higher than most people expect, and other people's disbelief in the potential of Ethereum is your opportunity. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell or your Litecoin over to BlockFi, or you can actually do a bank transfer, and then you just sit back and earn. BlockFi does all the hard work for you. See what's coming. Then there's those who don't believe in technology and innovation and the adoption curves of technology, and that the markets can give you incredible returns even at this stage. Those who believe in the investment thesis of an asset like Ethereum will likely believe in the higher number price predictions for this bull runs. We're talking $15,000, $20,000 per Ethereum.
Now let's say that you put $50,000 in their Ethereum at $1,000 each, and now it's at 1,700. I mean, you don't have to do the math. You made a profit. Or if you did Maker, let's say you get Maker, if you got money like that and you got Maker, oh my, and you put 10,000 in there or 5,000. I mean, you're making a profit, you know. You know, you're doing good. Say you bought it right here at 1,000. Ooh, it dropped. Say you got it at 1,000 right here. Man, say you put 50,000 in there. Okay. Right here. You would have doubled your money. You would have had $100,000. Okay, and you could have pulled out that $50,000 and then wait for your next return, which is coming up right now, maybe in March. Another $50,000. So that's what this guy's talking about. Go watch it. Ethereum price explosion today. Tax returns, automatic deposits, going straight into Bitcoin. That's the way to do it. This is the future. I talk about it already right here. Okay. Purple Crystals knows what's going on out there. Digital currency right here. Go watch it. That was 4 months ago. Okay. This is where it's coming to. Digital currency right here. I'm talking about it right here also. Watch my other videos. Fly into the future. The future is present. 8th New Tech 2020. Apartments in the 2030. Microchip humans. That's coming up next. Biden is already signing all the laws, passing all the bills for it. It's coming to a city near you. Living the life. That's the way you want to live. We already talked about what happened to our LGBTQ friend over here. Okay, Catherine Gray. Watch it. Make sure you know where you're going. You do your background. You know the religion. You know the belief. You know where you're going into. Just don't travel into a country, set up camp, and they're coming to find out that they don't like you because of your race or your religion or your culture, or basically you tell them, I'm from the U.S., man, you're going to have problems. You got to be careful where you're traveling to live the life that you want to live. So come on back for more. Join Papa Christos. Watch my dollar sign PAPA, capital CRISTOS, 10, 20, 50, 100. Hit pay. I gave you some good consultation on Bitcoins and Ethereum and Maker, and also the other ones. You're not going to get no other consultation like that that tells you about the other coins. I'll be back to give you some more info. Subscribe, share. Have a good day.